Welcome to my Mynimo tutorial. This is your guide on how to update or change your company's information. First, log into your employer's account using the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Select Employers, enter your credentials, and click Login. On your employer's panel, click the Company Information tab. To edit your company's information, you may use the Edit button found on the right side of the page, or you can also use the Edit button found at the bottom of the page. You can now start changing your company's information/details except for the company name. Please double-check all the required information before clicking the Save button below. Thank you for watching my Mynimo tutorial.